Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And now for Flavia, I'm going to be taking us through how to do lists of figures and lists of tables. So before we go on, what is a list of tables and list of figures? So it is a section within a document that is summarizing all the figures and tables that you have in that document. Yeah, so it is always having pages to show where that figure or that table is found. So you can easily locate the tables and figures when you're reviewing your document. So this is the document I'm going to use for us to try and learn how to do the list of figures and list of tables. So it should be page numbered. So I have these two pages. One has list of figures and another has a list of tables. So this is where I'll be putting the list of figures and list of tables after going through the document, just like we're going to see. So I scan through the document. I'm first going to start with the figures. So this is my first figure. I'm going to highlight on it. I come to references. And then insert caption. So this is a figure. So I'll have to choose. I select figure and I want it at the bottom. So I'll choose and then say OK. So it will appear there like that. So that is fine. I'll also highlight this. Still you come back to references, add caption. It is a figure, so this is a figure 2. I still want it at the bottom and I'll say OK. And that is fine. I'm looking for another figure which is here. So I'll highlight it, come to references, insert caption. This is figure 3. I still want it at the bottom, so I say OK. So that is fine. Looking for more figures. So that is it. Those are the only figures I have. So I'm now going to go and also highlight the tables as I insert caption on each. So this is the first table. So I'm going to highlight it. I come to references, insert caption, but this is table, so I'll have to select the table. And I still want the caption at the bottom, and I'm going to say OK, so it will appear at the bottom here. I'll do the same for all the other tables within the document. So this is another. I'm going to highlight, come to references. So you do the same for all the tables. So I'll also insert. This is our table 2. I still want it at the bottom, so I'll say OK, and it will appear. This is our other figure. So I still highlight on it. I come to references, insert caption, and it at the bottom still, so I say OK, and it will be there. So yeah, that's how you keep doing it. So you do all that for all the tables that you have in the document. So after doing all that, you're going to come back and you still come back to your references and you come to insert tables of figures. So here, before you actually do this, we are going to first go up and select where I want to place our figures, just like I said initially. So I'll put there my cursor, come to the references, insert. Now that I'm going to insert figures, I'll have to check this is okay, but I want to change here so that I put it in figures, and then I'll say okay. So these are all the figures that we have and the pages they're on. So the same way, I'm going to come to list of tables. I'm going to put my cursor here, come to references, insert tables. So the same way you choose, but here we already have tables. But just in case it was otherwise, you come and select. So after selecting, you say okay, and it will appear. So after you've done that, you can save your work so that the changes you've done are maintained. So I'm going to come to save as, I come to my desktop, and then I'll choose where to save it. So I can call this file 123. Then I'll have to save it under Word 97,003. Just like we talked earlier, that makes your work to be easily worked on in any other computer. Like when you transfer the work, it can easily be read. It still remains the same. So yeah, thank you so much for following. That was all I had. See you next time.